Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making a kebab sandwich. For this, here I have taken Shami kebabs. They are homemade. You can use these kebabs according to your need. I have fried 4 kebabs. 1 tomato sliced, 1 onion sliced, and here I have taken this long bun. I am using long bun. You can use any shape of bun you want. So first of all, here I have heated a griddle and now I will toast the bun. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am toasting the bun without adding any oil and butter, but if you want you can toast the buns with butter and oil also. Now here I have toasted the bun and now I will drizzle chili garlic sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On one part. Now I'll spread this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now one part I have spreaded chili garlic sauce, and on the second part I will drizzle this green chili sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now spread this also. Now I have spreaded chili garlic sauce and green chili sauce on both the parts of the bun. Now I will keep kebabs. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now this is totally up to you how you are making. I am keeping the whole kebabs, but if you want you can smash the kebabs also. And this is second one. Then onion rings, tomato slices, now after adding tomato and onion I have drizzled some more green chili sauce, but that's totally optional. And now I will cover this with that top part. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And at this stage this kebab sandwich is ready to be served. You can serve this sandwich with fries, ketchup, and I'm serving this whole, but if you want you can cut the bun from the center and divide it into 2 parts and serve. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.